Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on what time you see this video. Guys, my name is Difference Lubisi, known as TDL. Today I'm bringing you the modification of our previous 2020 video. This modification will show you if there are more spikes coming or not. Remember our previous video, people was texting me asking if maybe is there any way to see if there are more spikes coming and so on. That was our challenge, but now I tried by all means to give you indicators which will indicate to you if there will be more spikes coming or not. I hope you will enjoy it and keep making profits. If you didn't subscribe. If you didn't like, do so. We will need to add only two indicators. We will only need to add this Ichimoku and RSI. We will add this Ichimoku and RSI. So here are the things that you're gonna need: the Ichimoku and the relative strength index. Okay, let's begin with the Ichimoku. Under Ichimoku, you will set the parameters as they appear here. It will be Takensen will be 9, Kijunsen will be 9, Senkospen B will be 9. You don't need to press fill. Therefore, here you will need to put these styles here. The reason why I have used the white style in these three indicators, it's because my background is white, so I don't need them to appear. Also, don't forget to make it 1 pixel. So the above one, the Takensen and the Kijunsen, it's what I need. So because my background is white, I made them to be black. If your background is black, make it to be white. Then these ones, if your background is black, also make them to appear black, because we don't need them to appear on our chart. Therefore, you will say done, and you will go to relative strength index. Under relative strength index, you will select period 1, apply to close. Therefore, here you will select your preferable color. Your style will be fine, and under the levels you will put 15 as your description will be buy, 85 your description will be sell. Therefore, you are done. Do not forget to use level 3 zoom level. Do not forget to use level 3 zoom level. Now, our strategy, our previous strategy didn't die. We also use it. Remember, your first condition was where they meet, where these lines meet, you enter the market. But the problem was we couldn't see if maybe there will be more spikes coming. Like, for example, there was one spike here. Let's say this spike spiked from until here. This line here would come and hit this roof level. You couldn't see if there will be more spikes coming or not. But now we have come with a way of showing if there are more spikes coming or not. Look here. Let me show you here. I want to show you with this thing here. What we're gonna need here, we're gonna need to focus on our Ichimoku. Our Ichimoku is what will tell us if there are more spikes coming using the movements it creates. Look, the lines made here and they made a spark. This Ichimoku went up from this byline. Remember, it indicates each and every spike. Then after here, it went up again, representing these furthermore spikes. Therefore, it came up again, hitting the cell line, which is our 85 degrees. This line here was this top roof here. So, if you are buying boom, you will focus on your strategy if the lines meet. Once they meet, you will buy your boom. After you buy your boom, you hold until this black line come and hit this roof level on top here. Therefore, you exit your trade. When you go to crash, let me select crash. When you go to crash, for example, crash will come to this point here. Look at this point. This point here. You will sell and hold until it comes and hit this buy floor. Once it hits the buy floor, you can exit the trade and enter for a buy. Look at crash. Let's look at boom. Here it's boom. The lines came and they met here. A person have entered the trade and took the profits there. The Ichimoku didn't tell. The Ichimoku said it spiked. Now it will tell you if there will be another spike. How to see that? Once they meet again, it will tell you if you have to enter the market or what. In this case, you will have to wait for the market to confirm for you. Once it spikes now, the Ichimoku will move from the buy line and go on top. In this case, we are holding a trade. If you go long, you are holding a trade. Look what happened let's look what happened in our previous. You see here, it hit the sell level. Therefore, a person had to sell and hold up until it hits this line here. After it have hit the line, you therefore buy. Let's see what's happening now. You see, it is spiking, indicating that you can hold. There are more spikes coming. The lines have met here, and you don't have to exit the trade. You just wait, and therefore they came back and met again. There's no need there's no need now to take every spike that you see, every spike. You can now enter it once and then hold for a long time until it hits your sell on top. You can also use a 5 minutes time frame. It's also fine. Look here, for example, it was a sell from here and it sold for a long time. It was a sell, then it sold for a long time, went down, taking all the spikes. Now let's see what is happening on our 1 minute time frame. You see it keeps on it keeps on spiking and spiking. So now what we have here, our indicator Ichimoku, it's telling us that there are more spikes coming. It is telling us that there are more spikes coming, and you don't need to leave the trade. You just have to let it open, and until it goes up and hit this line on top. This black line must come up and hit this line. Therefore, you exit the trade. If you have a problem, feel free to contact me, guys. Feel free to contact me. To those who are busy sending me messages, please bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I will attend all your messages, but please don't lose hope. I will attend all your messages in time. It's just a matter of I'm busy, guys. You will forgive me. This is my number. Feel free to contact me anytime you have a problem on this strategy. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoy your profits.